Hey guys, it's Cosplay Master here, and I just want to tell you how to. I just want to show you how to make your own Red Hood helmet. Have you seen I made the Nova step-by-step tutorial how to make it, and let's get a build. Okay, so I finished tracing out the parts, how I should make the templates, the same way as make the pulverizer, Nova, Spider-Man 29, Deathstroke. Everything's the same way as I do it. Cutting them. Now it's time to cut them. Okay, so I finished cutting out the parts. It was really hard because I had to get angle shape in, so now I have to just fold them and put them into a shape as I did with my other masks. Let's get this started. Okay, so now I finished the basic template of the head. This is how it looks like my other masks. Now I'm going to take this red duct tape. $1. I bought it. And I'm going to code this into here and give it one nice big code. And then we will get into the details parts. Okay? See you and now. So I finished making the parts for the Red Hood helmet. So all I need to do is make the outlines and the details for the eyes. And for the eyes, I think I have a coded piece right here. Just give me a second. Okay, so for the eyes, I have this that I've been using for the Prowler's mask and the Nova. So on this is going to go on there. So as you can see, it's see-through, but you won't be able to see my eyes, but you can see it. Okay, so I'm going to put, no, first I'm going to draw the outline for the black. I'm going to put this on there, cut it out, trace it, and put it inside there. Okay. Hey guys, so I finished the outline of the Red Hood's mask, and now I have to take the white fabric, put it inside the eyes. We'll see how it looks like. So I finished the Red Hood's helmet. Now I'm actually surprised the way it turned out, because this was a very surprising build. And the inside looks pretty quiet. Yeah, I'm going to add some of this foam stuff so it can actually stay and give me a nice cushion headshot. So there we go, Spider-Man 29. Hello, Nova. Hello, Pulverizer. Rex's hand from Fortnite. Ben 10. Okay, now let's see how this looks like on my head. Oh, wow. I'm actually enjoying this mask, bro. How to make your own Red Hood helmet is completed. Make sure you comment, subscribe, smash that like button and notification button, because I will start doing tutorial videos for you. You heard me. Tutorial videos. You want more? Comment down below what else I should make. Give me challenges. Red Hood is done. I got a long way to go for my projects. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below what else I should make. So now the Cosplay Master is out. Peace. Red Hood.